Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can back up your messages on Messenger. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the chats window. I just opened up the app, and what you want to do to back everything up is go into the menu in the top left and then tap the gear icon. From here, you want to scroll all the way down and go into the Meta Accounts Center. Once you're here, you'll see all your accounts and details. You want to go into your information and permissions, and from here, as you can see, you have this tab that says download information. You want to click there and you can download or transfer information, or rather, if you click that, you will need to send a request depending on the account that you want to back up, and then your message will be backed up. Now, it might take a couple of days for them to back up your messages, and after they do, you will get a notification saying everything is ready, and then you can get to this same window, and then you can access the download link and you can download all your information without any hassle. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You just go here, go into download your information, select an account, write a request, wait for it, and then download the information, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.